Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rogini from GK Jain Schools. So before watching our video, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will receive all the latest notifications of our videos regularly. Thank you. Now let us move on to our today's class. In our today's class, we are going to see about the first standard maths topic, Geometry, Unit 1 in our Term 1. Okay, before moving on to the topic, let us sing a rhymes. Are you all ready? Okay, so you all have to sing along with me. Okay, right. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. Jump, 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 jump on the floor. Crawl, 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 crawl under the table. Crawl, 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 crawl under the table. Go, 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 go far from the table. Go, 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 go far from the table. Come, 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 come near the board. Come, 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 come near the board. Play, 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 play outside the class. Play, 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 play outside the class. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. Sit, 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 sit inside the class. So this is the rhymes. I hope you have enjoyed singing the rhymes, right? Yes. Okay. Now, if you look at the rhymes, you can notice the words like inside, outside, far, near, on, under. Yes, so you may have noticed the words while we are singing the rhymes, right? So you may have noticed that I stress on these words while I am singing the rhymes, right children? Yes. Why? Because these are the words that we are going to learn today in our geometry class. Okay, so how and where we use these words in maths concept, that is geometry. Okay, that is what we are going to see today. So are you all ready to learn? Yes. The first two words that we are going to see about is top and bottom. Okay, now look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? Yes, we have books in this picture, right? A pile of books arranged one after the other. Okay, now we have four different colors of books here. Okay, now can you tell me what are all the colors? Red, green, violet and blue. Okay, now we are going to learn about the word top and bottom. So what is the meaning of top? Top means it is on the highest position, right? It is on the highest position. And what is the meaning of bottom? Bottom means that thing is at the lowest position. Okay, now look at the book's picture here. Which book is at the top? That means the highest position. Which color book is at the top? Yes, the blue color book is at the top, right? It means that the book is in the highest position. So, if it is in the highest position means we will call it as top. The blue color book is at the top, right? Now, look at the which book is at the lowest position? At the bottom. Bottom means lowest position. Now which book is at the lowest position? That is the bottom. Yes, the red color book is at the bottom. The blue color book is at the top. The red color book is at the bottom. So this is where we will use the words top and bottom, right? Now we will see another example. Okay, now I am going to give you two pictures here, right? Now look at these two pictures. What is the boy doing? The boy is sliding on the slide, right? Okay, now look at the first picture. Now tell me, the first picture, where the boy is? The boy is at the top or the boy is at the bottom of the slide? Yes, in the first picture, the boy is at the bottom of the slide, right? Because he is at the lowest position, right? Now look at the second picture, where the boy is? He is in the top or bottom? Yes, he is on the highest part of the slide, That is top. The boy is at the top of the slide. First picture, the boy is at the bottom of the slide. Do you understand? So this is what is called as top and bottom. Now let me show you another picture. Now you are going to tell which is at the top and which is at the bottom. Are you all ready? Yes. Now look at this picture. What we have in this picture? We have pot, right? So where can we see the pot? We can see the pot at the festival time, right? Especially during the Pongal, we will make Pongal in the pot only, right? Okay. Now we have pots arranged one over the other, right? Now which pot is at the top and which pot is at the bottom? Yes, very good. The small pot is at the top and which is at the bottom? The big pot is at the bottom, right? Now you know the meaning of top and bottom, right? Now let me show you a picture and you are going to tell me which is the top and which is the bottom. Okay? Now look at this picture. Pick the boy at the bottom of the slide. Okay? So here are two pictures. The boy is sliding on the slide and he is playing on the slide, right? Okay. Now in which picture the boy is at the bottom of the slide? Can you tell me? First picture, yes. So we have to take the first picture, yes. So in the first picture only the boy is at the bottom of the slide, right children? Yes. Okay. Now let me give you another example. Okay. Now look at this. Take the pot at the top, right? Now we have to take the pot which is at the top, right? So which pot is at the top? Yes, the smallest part, it is at the top, right? Or we have to take it, right? Did you understand? Yes. Now the next two keywords that we are going to see is inside and outside. Okay. Now what is the meaning of inside? Inside means inner part of something. Okay. Anything if you take, the inner part is called as inside. Okay. What is the meaning of outside? The outer part of something. Okay. Now let us see these two words with an example. Okay. Now I am going to show you a picture here. Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a papaya, right? You all love papaya, right? It is a fruit and it is a very healthy, right children? Yes. Now, if I cut the papaya into two halves, okay, what can you see inside of the papaya? Yes, papaya is having seeds inside, right? So, what can we say? Papaya has its seeds inside, right? Okay. Now what is this picture? This is cashew, right children? Yes. So now what is this hanging out outside of the cashew? Yes, it is the cashew nut. Okay. Now where the cashew is having its nut? It is outside of the cashew, right? So outside means outer part, right children? Okay. Now if you see the outer part of this cashew, we can find its nut. So that means cashew has its nut outside. So papaya has its seeds inside and the cashew is having its nut outside. Do you clear where we will use the word inside and outside? Okay. Now let us see another example. Now you are going to tell me the answer for this question. Right children? Are you all ready? Yes. Now this is a circling activity and you are going to find out which is inside and which is outside. Now I am going to show you the first picture. Right? Now look at this picture. Circle the dog inside the kennel. Okay, so the dog lives in a kennel, right? It is having its own house, right? Now in this picture, how many dogs you can see? We have two dogs here, right? Now which dog is inside the kennel? Yes, inside means inner part of something. So here the dog is inside the kennel. Now which dog is inside the kennel? Yes, this dog. So circle. So this dog is inside the kennel. Do you understand? Okay, now look at the next one. Circle the bird outside the nest. Okay, now see, this is the nest where the bird lives, right? Do you all know about the nest, right? If you see somewhere around your home also, you can find the bird nest on the tree or on some ceiling, right? The bird will build its own nest. Now here there are two birds. One bird is inside the nest and one bird is outside the nest. Now which bird is outside the nest? Yes, very good. The second bird is outside the nest. Very good. Now you understand what is the meaning of inside and outside. Now I have a question for you. Now look at this. What is this? Have you seen this? Yes, this is a carom board. And what is the next picture I am showing here? A man is playing a football, right? Now, which of these games we will play inside and which of these games we will play outside and why? Can you tell me? Why we are playing certain games inside and certain games outside? Which game we will play inside? Where we will play the carom board? We will sit outside or inside of our house? Yes, inside. Inside means inner part of the house. Inside of the house we will play the carom board. And where we will play the football? We will play inside our house? No. We will play the football outside of our house. Right, children? Yes. Why? Because carom board is safe to play inside. But if you play football inside your house means what will happen? You will kick the ball here and there and certain things may go broken, right? So it is dangerous for us to play football inside. So the game football should be played outside. Right, children? Yes. So this is where we use the words inside and outside. Do you understand? Yes.